part of Python tutorial in English. In this session we are going to see about what are variables. Variables are nothing but memory locations where we store data. Variables are nothing but memory locations where we store data. For example, uh, uh, my age is equal to, is a variable name, is equal to 18, sorry, there should be no space in identifier. My age is equal to 18. The, now I output my variable. The output of the variable is 18. Okay. What is a variable? It is value can be changed. So it solely it is called as variables. For example, we can change my age from 18 to 21. If I now type as my age, the output will be 21. So another thing to be considered about Python languages, variables are loosely typed. Python is a loosely typed language. That means we can store any kind of data in a variable. We don't have to declare what type of data we need. So for example, I will type my name is equal to Karthikeyan. My name is equal to Karthikeyan. Sorry. My name Karthikeyan. If I now output my name is Karthikeyan. Oh sorry. Karthikeyan. Like that we can assign any type of data to the variable. At the runtime, what type of data it is belongs to will be considered as variables data type. Thank you. That's all about today's class. Thank you.